KAMAZ 43269, the Vystrel armored vehicles, along with other examples of Russian-wheeled combat vehicles, are actively participating in a special military operation. The Yugalok Sitha Telegram channel has shared photos demonstrating their additional protection. A powerful electronic warfare system, EU, was mounted on the roofs of two armored vehicles, preventing enemy drones from operating. Anti-drone visors were welded on, and the chassis was covered in a conveyor belt. All of these improvements will help the Vystrel perform combat missions more effectively. Such personnel delivery vehicles weigh approximately 11 tons. The diesel engine has a horsepower of 240. The highway speed is 90 kilometers per hour. The power reserve is 1,100 kilometers. The capacity is 6 people. The vehicle is being manufactured at KAMAZ's Remdesel plant in Naberezhny Chelny. The hull of the vehicle is built by Kurgan, who is the manufacturer of the BMP infantry fighting vehicle range. According to the Russian-affiliated Telegram channel, KAMAZ 43269 armored vehicle was fitted with the remote BM-30D turret, which features a 30mm 2A42 automatic cannon, coaxial 7.62 by 51mm PKTM machine gun and AG-17 automatic grenade launcher. The new gun system offers more firepower while maintaining high mobility in all-terrain conditions. The vehicle is based on the truck chassis of the KAMAZ 4326 Mustang. The conventional design houses an engine in the front, a crew cab in the center and a troop section in the rear. The combat weight of the vehicle is 10.5 t. BPM 97 has a length of 5.3 meters, a width of 1.9 meters and a height of 2.3 meters with a weapon station. Earlier, official footage from the tactical nuclear exercises in Russia has featured a rare vehicle a few times. It is shown escorting trucks allegedly carrying nuclear warheads and an Iskander short-range ballistic missile system unit. The unique combat vehicle in question is none other than the 11-ton K43269 Vystrel from the KAMAZ Heavy Transport Vehicles plant. In the screenshot below, you can see it heading the column. The development of this armored personnel carrier with controversial qualities started in 1997, and it became, in fact, one of the first vehicles of its class in Russia. Although the unit in the video appears to be equipped with the MB-203 weapon station, its standard armaments are the 2A72 30mm autocannon, a supporting machine gun, and an automatic grenade launcher. Instead, it seems the cannon was removed from the one depicted in the clip. The reasons for such downgrade are unknown. Developed by the Russian Central Research Institute BUREVESTNIK, the EPIC BM-30DRCWS, unveiled in 2021, features optoelectric components like day, night vision, infrared cameras, and a laser rangefinder. To prioritize crew safety and prevent gas pollution within the vehicle, the ammunition load and turret system are isolated from the troop compartment. With the inclusion of the RCWS, the crew benefits from a new weapon station that provides day-night combat capabilities and a fire control system. The primary objective of the EPIC BM-30DRCWS is to enable the gunner to aim and control all firing operations from inside the vehicle's protected hull. Interestingly, this sighting marks the second vehicle equipped with the BM-30D turret observed heading to the Ukrainian front line, as the Typhoon VDVK-4386 mine-protected armored vehicle is already in service with Russian airborne troops. These newly outfitted vehicles are anticipated to fulfill dual roles as reconnaissance and infantry fighting support vehicles. The BPM-97, also known as the KAMAZ 43269 Vystrel, is a 4x4-wheeled mine-resistant ambush-protected MRAP vehicle manufactured by the Russian truck manufacturer KAMAZ. It can accommodate 12 personnel, including the driver and commander. There is also a 6x6 version named SBA-60K2 Bullet, which was unveiled in 2012 and serves as a base for the Listva remote mine-clearing vehicle. Originally designed for the law enforcement agencies of the Russian Federation, the KAMAZ 43269 BPM-97 was initially intended as an armored personnel carrier, APC, but also serves as an armored reconnaissance vehicle. It gained attention as a potential replacement for the GAZ-66 off-road truck used by the Federal Border Guard Service, FSG, in hazardous border regions. The BPM-97 has been in service since 2009 with the Ministries of Internal Affairs of Azerbaijan and Kazakhstan, the ground forces and anti-terrorist units of the Russian Federation, and the self-proclaimed Luhansk People's Republic.